Raj's ads, Terrace Waterproofing introduction. Briefly introduce the topic of terrace waterproofing. Explain its importance for protecting structures from water damage. Common problems. Discuss issues caused by water infiltration, egg, leaks, mold, structural damage. Show examples of damaged terraces. Types of waterproofing methods. Liquid waterproofing membrane overview and application process. Bituminous coating benefits and suitable applications. Sheet membranes installation tips and best practices. Polysulfide sealants use cases and longevity. Preparation steps. Inspecting the terrace surface. Cleaning and repairing cracks. Importance of proper drainage. Application process. Step-by-step guide on applying a liquid membrane. Highlight safety precautions and tools needed. Time lapse of the application for visual impact. 6. Post-application care. Discuss drying times and curing processes. Tips for maintaining the waterproofed terrace. Conclusion. Recap the benefits of terrace waterproofing. Raj's ads encourage viewer to seek professional help if needed. Call to action. Raj's ads invite viewer to like, subscribe, and comment with their experiences or questions about terrace waterproofing. Visual elements. Before and after images of terraces. Diagrams illustrating waterproofing methods. On-screen text summarizing key points. Tips for filming. Use clear, concise language. Engage with the audience by asking questions. Ensure good lighting for clarity in demonstrations. Raj's ads provides a comprehensive approach to creating an informative video on terrace waterproofing.